Guys, I'm going to work with the linear equations. These are the word problems related to linear equations, so I'm going to work with some of them. I'm using this book, at Excel students, student book 1 in Excel, and I'm going to work with the first question here. This is the question here. It says the sum of two consecutive numbers is 477. What are the numbers? Let the first number be x. Since we got the first number x and they told us that they're talking about two consecutive numbers, so this means that if first number is 1, second number must be 2. If first number is 10, next number should be 11. If first number is 6, 7, next number should be 8, because consecutive numbers, and they're saying the sum of two consecutive numbers is 477. So if one number is x, then next number should be x plus 1. If this is 4, this will become 4 plus 1, 5. If this is 9, this will become 9 plus 1, 10. If this is 8, this will become 8 plus 1, 9. So yes, we are justifying the equation which says two consecutive numbers, and they said the sum of two consecutive numbers is 477. Now in 477 we want to find out, they said what are the numbers. So here x plus 1 is equals to 477. Since I have this plus sign here, that's why I simply removed the bracket. If I don't have this plus sign, then I will say okay, x times x, because then in that case it will be getting multiplied. But since I know that here in this case it's not getting multiplied, it's plus sign, so I will simply remove the brackets. It becomes x plus 1 is equals to 477. Now this is the same family members. These are the same family members, x and x. So what I'm going to do is I will say x plus x makes 2x. Now when x plus x makes 2x, plus 1 remains there, and 477. Now back to the concept of basic linear equations. This is constant with variables, so I will move constants first. 2x is equals to 477 minus 1, so 2x is equals to 476. 2 means that here 2 and x are getting multiplied with each other. I will keep x here, 476 divided by 2. Now 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. Oh, this was 7. But this is not a mistake. Why? Because 6 is used out of 7. Let me put that one with this 6. It becomes 16. 2 times 8, 16. So now 238. So x is equals to 238. This means that x is equals to 238 and x plus 1 become 239. Let's add these two numbers together, because they said adding these two numbers gives us 477. Let's see if the concept is correct. So 238 and 239, 8 8 16 plus 1 17, 3 3 6 7, 7 and 2 2 4, 477. So this means that 238 and 239 are our two consecutive numbers, the sum of which is 477. The next question here is, it says the sum of three consecutive numbers is 219. Now when we say sum of three consecutive numbers 219, everything remains the same except you will add one more number here. So this means that here I will say x, then I will say plus x plus 1. So this is my second number, and in third number I will say x plus 2. So now if this is 3, this will become 3 plus 1 4, and this will become 3 plus 2 5. If I'll take x as 7, this will become 7, this will become 8, and this will become 9. So I made my equation which says that first number, second number and third number, these are my three consecutive numbers, and the sum of these numbers is 219. Again, these numbers are not getting multiplied, and this is simple addition. So I will write here x plus 1 plus x plus 2. I simply remove the brackets, and now I will combine the same family members. How? X, x and x. So this makes 3x plus 1 and 2, 3 is equals to 219. Back to the basic linear equations concept. I will not deal with this first, I will deal with this first. I will move this sign to the other side, this value to the other side. When I will move this value to the other side, here it is getting added, of course it will get subtracted there. So 3x is equals to 219 minus 3. I got 3x is equals to 216, because 9 minus 3 is 6. X is equals to 216 over 3. Now 3 times 7 makes 21, and 3 times 2 makes 6. So x is equals to 72. Now I will check my equation. If x is equals to 72, x plus 1 will be 73 and x plus 2 will be 74. Now let's add all of them and see if we get 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to 21. So 219 is my correct answer. Sorry, 219 justifies my answer, where I know that x is equals to 216 or 772, sorry, because here we used this concept x plus 1 plus x plus 2. I hope this will help you out to find the answers. There is one more question which I believe I must do here, which says it's about the triangle. Find x and the size of each angle in this triangle. Now what I'm going to do is, I will draw a triangle here. This angle is 7x minus 10. This angle is 6x plus 20. This angle is 4x. They said find the value of x. Now remember that sum of three sides of a triangle always equals to what? You should know that. Sum of three sides of triangle, sum of three angles, of a triangle always equals to 180. So 6x plus 20 plus 7x minus 10 plus 4x is equals to 180. Now I will put this family together and this family together. So 6x plus 7x plus 4x plus 20 minus 10 is equals to 180. Solve same family first. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 7 17. X is equals to 20 minus 10 is 10. Sorry, 20 minus 10 is 10. This will remain plus sign is equals to 180. Now I will move this 10 to the other side, because since I told you back to the linear concept, how to solve basic linear equations. This is 17x plus 10. I will move this 10 to the other side. So 17x is equals to 180 minus 10. 17x is equals to 170. 17 and 17. I want to find the value of x, and this 17 is extra. So I will divide both sides by 17. 17 on the 17. 17 10s are 170. This 17 cancel with this 17. So x is equals to 10. So now I know x is equals to 10. They said find x and the size of each angle in this triangle. Now most of the students do what? They say yes, I got my answer, finish, end of question. But this is not the end of the question. Look at the question again. It says find x and the size of each angle in this triangle. So I understand that x value is what? X value is 10. But did I find the value of each angle here? No, I didn't. So if this question is of 2 marks, you will get only 1. If this question is of 4 marks, you will get only 2. Because then you are not solving the rest of the question. So what I'm going to do is, I will substitute every x with 10. So 6 times 10 plus 20. 7 times 10 minus 10. And 4 times 10. 6 times 10, 60 plus 20 is 80. 70 minus 10 is 60, and 40, 4 times 10 is 40. So now 80, 60 and 40. This is 80 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 40 degree. Now this is my final answer. Now I know each angle, value of each angle in my triangle. I hope you understand this topic, and inshallah we will continue with this topic in next videos. But here this will be the end. Thank you very much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.